The infant gut microbiome is a collection of microorganisms residing in the gastrointestinal tract of a newborn infant. Infancy is a critical period for establishment of a gut microbiome, a complex process that is known to have a long-term impact on health and a risk for disease. Microbial colonization of the gastrointestinal tract is a fundamentally linked to metabolic programming, immunology maturation, and proper gastrointestinal development. Since your baby's gut bacteria line your intestines, they come into contact with the food your baby eats. This may affect what nutrients baby absorbs and how energy is stored in the body. One study examined the gut bacteria in 77 pairs of twins, one of whom had obesity and one of whom didn't. The study found that those who had obesity had a different gut bacteria than the twins without obesity. In particular, obesity was associated with a lower gut bacteria diversity, meaning there were fewer types of bacteria in the gut. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are a great dietary source of probiotics. Examples include kimchi, yogurt, kefir. A total of 19 human intervention studies were identified that met these search criteria. In these reviews, scientists discuss evidence that consumption of fermented foods may modify the gut microbiota in humans. High-fiber foods. Research indicates that high-fiber foods have a positive impact on gut health. Those foods include legumes like black beans, whole grains like oats, vegetables like broccoli. Evidence suggests that increased dietary fiber consumption can positively influence metabolic health by altering the gut microbiota. Garlic. According to the studies, garlic may increase the gut microbiome diversity and improve gut health. The data reveal that whole garlic may be a potential probiotic that is able to prevent against HDF-induced disturbance of the gut microbiome. Our gut barrier also has a rather paradoxical rule in that, on one hand, it needs to be permeable enough to extract the nutrients from our food, but on the other hand, it also needs to block harmful molecules breaching that defense. This is why we need to aim for a barrier that is both flexible and simultaneously vigilant. Friendly microbes help encourage the production of mucus, layer that works to further ward off inhospitable microbes, producing antimicrobial molecules. According to the studies in 2000s, many bacteria like Bifidobacteria strains from resident infant human gastrointestinal microbiome like Xert produce antimicrobial substances that kill bad guy bacteria. According to a study led by graduate student Shin, which was published in 2023, the investigators found that who received certain drugs had higher levels of harmful microbes like Enterococcus. They didn't do as well after their transplants. Stress hurts the baby's gut too. Psychological stress is implicated in the alternation of your baby's gut microbiome. Some of your baby's beneficial microbes may be affected. There is a lot of research which suggests that when children are exposed to stress, the abundance of health-promoting bacteria, Lactobacillus, declines. Bifidobacteria's abundance is also impacted, while increasing pathogenic microbes like E. coli.